Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral and congratulations that the new stimulus bill is finally signed and approved, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can apply and when you can apply for this EIDL program up to $10,000 forgivable cash advance, also known as grant. And you know that grant means free money, so you won't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. And I'm also going to talk about EIDL loan as well. There are two parts in it, so please watch this video till the end. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 credit line with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, here's an amazing opportunity, and first we are going to talk about the EIDL grant, also known as cash advance, that we all are waiting for, right? So remember that this grant or forgivable loan that you can say is designed for small businesses. So if you own a small business, of course you can apply for this small business grant of $10,000, and it's forgivable. It means you won't have to pay back a single penny. As I told you, that is up to $10,000 that you can apply. It's totally depend on your business structure, how many employees you have, are you the only one, so it totally depends. So all the details and everything will be discussed in this video and in the future videos as well. So in order to know about it, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you will get notified. And remember that you can apply also if you are a 1099 worker. Of course, if you are a 1099 employee or a worker, you can apply for this EIDL grant or up to $10,000, so you are definitely eligible for it. So right here, of course, if you have a business registered under your name, you can apply for it, and there are some requirements that you need to show at least 30% decrease in your gross income. Of course, it's not net income, so you have to show the gross income. So remember, if you have a 30% decrease in your gross income, you can actually show it by showing your profit or loss statement or your bank statement, because I know that a lot of businesses were hit really hard because of this pandemic. So you can easily show them the 30% decrease, and then you can get this EIDL cash advance or up to $10,000. Right here, of course, your business has to be operative from January 31st 2020. In other words, because a lot of YouTubers and a lot of content makers, they're making it really difficult. Technically, if you have your business registered on 31st 2020, you had a registered business, then you can definitely apply for this EIDL grant. Of course, when it comes to the operative, so of course if you have your business registered at this specific date and then you've been doing business since then, or you actually registered your business even on 31st January 2020, you are still eligible for this EIDL cash advance or forgivable loan that you can say. Remember, you have to be from a low income area, so that's a requirement from the IRS and SBA. So keep that in mind, that these are some sort of details and requirements and eligibility criteria that they require you to show them. When you can apply, this is a really important question, right? When you can apply for it, because a lot of people were asking me this question that, you know, like, we've been waiting for it, when are you going to make video on it? And right here in front of you, SBA handles the EIDL program, so totally it's up to them. And then at the second thing is lawmakers give the green light first. So they actually takes, and they're going to take at least 7 to 10 business days, so keep that in mind. It's gonna take a bit, but not long, of course, because there's a deadline, or you can say there's a clause in the CARES Act bill, or you can say in this bill, stimulus bill that they passed, that, you know, you have to be doing it in next 15 days. Yes, SB has 15 days to outline everything. So in next 15 days, you will have a clear picture when you can apply and how you can apply. And please subscribe to the channel, because I'll be uploading the videos on this EIDL program Telegram all week long with complete details, so every update will be available to you. So please, in order to know about it, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you or EIDL videos for you. Remember that we should expect to hear from SBA by Tuesday, January 21st, 2020. Usually, technically, it should be on 12th, because as you know that they passed the bill technically today. So if you think about it, if you calculate it, technically it's 12th, but I'm actually adding 10 more days because that's what happened in the first CARES Act or first stimulus bill as well. So we should expect everything to be cleared on Tuesday, January 21st, 2020. So keep that in mind. Now, how to apply for EIDL? This is a really important question that, like a lot of people must be asking that, hey, this is the thing, okay, we know, and last time it was a big confusion as well in the first stimulus bill that we want to apply, but at the same time the things were so messed up that people were really confused how we can apply. Well, SBA will definitely provide complete procedure of EIDL in few days, and what I mean by few days, we are going to expect every procedure outlined in next 10 to 15 days, but every day they will be releasing the news and updates. So please subscribe in order to know about it, and I will keep you updated when it comes and when we talk about the EIDL specifically. Well, now let's talk about the timeline for EIDL. Of course, last time that actually the first stimulus bill stated that people will hear from SBA in 3 days, but this was not the case, as we all knew that it took a long time for them to actually process the application. So right here it's outlined that once you apply, then it takes at least 21 days. So keep that in mind, it takes at least 21 days for them to actually get back to you, and at the same time you can receive your funds under 21 days. That's the deadline or the timeline they have in order to process every application. So for example, if you applied on the 1st, then you will be expected to receive the funds by 22nd of the same month. So keep that in mind. This is really important that in 21 days you will be receiving your funds. At the same time, you will get the result as well, that either you're accepted or denied, or you will have the opportunity to appeal. So remember that these are some information. I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot because I'm going to be making a lot of videos on EIDL with complete updates and step-by-step guides. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to know about it. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 credit line with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. If you have any questions about EIDL, then please comment below. I will be answering each and every question of yours. And if you have any confusion about stimulus checks or paycheck protection program as well, then I will be answering those questions as well. So let me know in the comment below what do you think about it, and if you have any questions about any other clause or any other outline on stimulus bill, then I will be happy to answer each and every question. Thank you so much. I will see you in the future videos. Till then, take care.